All right, hold it right there. Brakes engaged.
Clear to open the bay doors.
Automated gates securing Sector 4. All environmental parameters are nominal.
Vitals are stable. Thermal scan looks good.
Confirmed. Weight matches projection.
The Brahman bulls thrive on this precise diet, monitored constantly by our automated systems and expert staff.
Rump angle looks good, confirming data set 3.
Acknowledged. Moving to thermal scan now.
Brahman's unique coat requires careful drying before the scanning process begins. Note the liquid silver sheen.
Data capture complete. All parameters nominal.
Acknowledged. Releasing the gate now.
The thermal imaging on the dorsal muscles looks excellent.
Agreed. Swiping to the cellular breakdown now.
We are redefining the supply chain, blending advanced technology with compassionate care.
Manifest confirmed for Bay 12. Proceed with docking sequence.
Roger that. Engaging locks.
Okay, bring it out slowly.
Scanning complete. Weight is steady.
All right, let's prep this for assessment.
This one is comb grade material.
Confirmed. Placing it in rack 4.
The filtration system is running at optimal capacity.
Good, let's start the next wash sequence.
Cycle duration looks good.
Humidity levels confirmed stable.
Zoom in on sector 4.
Getting some interesting readings on the translucence there.
Alignment is complete. Beginning the trim sequence now.
Acknowledged. Engaging extraction and preparing for the second pass.
Batch 47B initialized. Temperature stable. Proceeding to next phase.
Temperature stable on rack 7.
Data logged. Move to inspection.
Ensure the light guides are perfectly calibrated to the digital overlay before initiating the cut sequence.
Cycle complete. Vacuum release initiated.
Copy that. Ready for extraction.
Part secured. Moving to shaping station.
Dimensions check complete. The profile is within tolerance.
Optical alignment guides the cut, ensuring perfect symmetry and flawless grain across every finished comb.
Quality control approved. Take this tray to the machining department immediately.
The beveling tool ensures micro-precision on every piece. Absolutely flawless.
The luster on this ring is exceptional.
The inner opening is perfectly smooth under magnification.
Make sure the tension is just right on that loop.
Batch number 4-5 confirmed. Move it to the inspection table. All right, let's get this opened up gently.
Sensor reading complete. Thickness variance is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Initiating transfer to the drum.
Looks like a clean transfer.
Retract the hoist and initiate the sequence.
Console reports green across all parameters.
Sample drawn and ready for analysis. Station 3.
Adjusting the cylinder now.
Reading confirmed, the thickness is uniform.
Looks good for the drum.
System check complete. Initiating cycle sequence.
Temperature holding steady at 30 degrees. Dosing schedule is on track.
The automated cradle ensures precise loading before the pressurized cycle begins. All parameters are stable for the conditioning phase. Batch 47B confirms neutralization levels are stable. Proceeding with conditioning agent introduction.
I've adjusted the pressure slightly. Good, it's flattening out nicely now.
Here in the drying hall, precision is everything. The leather is stretched taut, and moisture levels are... Check the tension on the guides.
It's moving through smoothly now.
Cycle initiating now.
Confirmed. Monitoring drum pressure.
Buffing cycle complete.
Confirmed. Moving to refinement unit 1.
The fine grain roller is secured.
Alignment and pressure checked. Starting the sequence.
Batch 7B transitioning to curing chamber. Quality control standby.
Flexibility is excellent. No cracking or whitening.
Placing green markers for the premium panels.
Utilizing the scanning gantry, we optimize the cutting layout, ensuring surgical precision and minimizing waste. Sequence complete. Confirm vacuum release.
Pressure dissipated. Move the tray to the thinning station.
Precision skiving ensures a perfect taper. After beveling, digital gauges confirm uniformity before the adhesive application.
This specialized adhesive provides superior bonding strength on the chestnut panel. Precision engineering meets artisanal craftsmanship. Each panel is secured with meticulous care. Precision is key. Every handle undergoes meticulous alignment, seamless bonding, and rigorous testing for perfect symmetry and curvature.
Check the symmetry with the jig.
Perfect alignment. Buff the brass.
The heated burnishing tool glides slowly along the seam, sealing the edge before we apply the neutral conditioner.
Precision engineering meets timeless craftsmanship. Our quality control process is designed to push the boundaries of...
Check the interior lining for any remaining dust particles.
Confirmed. The luster is fully restored on the brass.
Palletization complete. Dispatch sequence initiated for the chestnut handbag. Tracking confirmed.
Pallet 74 approaching dock 3.
Confirmed.
Experience the pinnacle of artisanal craftsmanship, where every detail is meticulously considered.
showcasing flawless craftsmanship. From the hand-painted edges to the polished horn toggle, experience the luxury of true bespoke design.
Every detail, from the polished horn to the finest chestnut leather, speaks of enduring quality and timeless design.
We carefully sand the edges, ensuring a velvet smooth finish before applying the dye.
The leather quality is exceptional. Proceed to packaging.
Every detail meticulously considered. The artistry of marbled horn, the rich chestnut leather presented in this masterful collection.
Meticulously crafted from the finest chestnut leather. Note the polished horn toggle and the exquisite detail of the fine stitching.
Where meticulous craftsmanship meets modern manufacturing. The finest leather, built to last. Inside the bespoke trunk, a world of chestnut leather and natural horn awaits the discerning traveler.
We blend the organic detail of natural horn with the tactile grain of aged leather. A timeless collection built for luxury travel.
Discover the art of travel. Impeccable saddle stitching meets the luminous marble of the horn.
Every detail meticulously polished, every cut absolutely precise. This is the art of luxury.
From the rich grain of the leather to the meticulous work of the artisans, quality is our foundation.